Understanding off-limits area in English. Hello everyone. Today, we're going to explore the meaning of the phrase, off-limits area. This is a common term you might encounter in various contexts, and understanding it can greatly enhance your English language skills. Let's dive in. The phrase, off-limits area, refers to a place or zone where entry or access is prohibited or restricted. It is often used in settings like military bases, private properties, or sensitive environmental areas. Understanding this phrase is crucial, as it's commonly used to ensure safety and privacy. To grasp the meaning better, let's look at some examples. The construction site is an off-limits area for unauthorized personnel. Due to the ongoing investigation, the office on the third floor is off-limits. These sentences show how the phrase is used to denote restricted access. The phrase, off-limits area, is not just about physical boundaries, it's also about respecting rules and regulations. It can appear in different contexts, like safety instructions, legal notices, or even in casual conversations about private spaces. Understanding synonyms can also help. Some similar phrases include restricted area, no-go zone, prohibited area. These variations can be used interchangeably based on the context. I hope this video has helped you understand the phrase, off-limits area, and its usage in the English language. Remember, respecting such areas is as important as understanding the term. Thank you for watching, and keep learning.